When you have a lot of trees visible in a scene, billboards are a great way to save render time, and even more importantly, memory. The billboards used here are images of freely available trees. You can find these billboard files in the video description. They're provided as a blend file. The original high-quality 3D tree models come from Maxtree, and there's a link to them in the description as well. Billboards should look as similar as possible to the original 3D tree models, no matter which direction the light is coming from. Here, you can see the billboards and the 3D tree models side by side for comparison. I hope they look good enough, even if they're not perfectly identical. The arrow in the image shows the lighting direction. When light comes from behind the billboards, you need translucency for a realistic effect. But this translucency should only affect the leaves, not the trunk or branches. That means we have to separate the leaves from the trunk and branches, which is quite tricky with billboards. In the blend file, I've included a simple heuristic to help with this discrimination. When you open the billboard blend file, you'll see 2 kinds of trees, 6 trees of each kind, and 6 different view angles for every tree. The billboard geometry node adds some shadow casters orthogonal to the billboard. The billboard shader group allows for some tuning. Alpha power can improve contours when the billboard is backlighted. Translucent power controls the overall translucency. Subsurface weight and normal map strength are regular principled shader inputs. Original color is the reference for the target color shift. Acting on the default target color shift will show how colors are shifted starting from the original color. In fact, all colors are shifted with the same vector, so the default focus on original allows you to limit the shift primarily to the original color, which is more sensible for leaves with variable tints. The billboards are meant to be instantiated, and that is the place where default target color and default focus can be overridden. I provide here a naive example of instantiation. I will provide more insight on instantiation of billboards in another video.